Tired of the same 3 meals because someone at the table calls everything gross? Want to end the dinner arguments once and for all? The secret lies in AI, and it's easier than you think. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to please even the pickiest eaters. In this episode, you'll discover how to tell an AI exactly what your picky eater will accept, how to turn fridge scraps into a crowd pleaser, how to build a simple 5-day plan that reduces decisions, the tiny presentation and texture tricks that actually work, and 5 copy-paste prompts you can use tonight. By the end, you will have at least 1 prompt to try and 1 small win to track. First, why does this matter? According to a family meal efficiency study conducted by the National Parenting Research Institute in September of 2024, using AI to generate meal plans can reduce weekly meal preparation time by up to 30% for parents managing picky eaters. All busy parents can use that extra time. First up, we will build a short picky eater profile you can paste into any chat. That profile is the single most powerful thing you can give an AI because once it understands the deal breakers and the acceptable swaps, it will stop suggesting foods you know will be tossed. Ready? Let's go make dinner easier. We have to teach the AI who we are cooking for. Think of this like a tiny dating profile for food for your kid. Give the AI the important stuff and it will stop suggesting 1 hour plus heavy casseroles at 6 p.m. What belongs in a picky eater profile? You can keep it short, but make sure it is specific. I start by opening a note on my phone and introducing my children and scenario. Things like 1, their first name and ages so you can distinguish later. Tell the AI what they like, their favorite proteins, flavors, and textures. Second, then move to dislikes or deal breakers. What are the foods that cause immediate refusal, like tomatoes or mushrooms? Third, if there are any allergies and strict restrictions, add these next. Be explicit for safety. 4, what about acceptable textures and negotiables? For example, hates lumps in sauce, but okay with pureed veggies or likes crunchy toppings. 5th, do not forget the small wins and bribes. Yes, bribes, we all do it. Does your kiddo have a favorite dip or a preferred presentation? What are the trusted fallback meals? These will help to set a baseline. Here is an example prompt for reference. My 6-year-old son, Benny, loves cheese and crunchy textures. He is allergic to peanuts, refuses visible tomatoes or lumps in sauces, but is okay with pureed vegetables hidden in creamy dishes. He prefers chicken or pasta and responds well to fun names and dipping sauces. Now copy and paste into your favorite generative AI tool, whether that be Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, or Claude. Paste that into the chat as the very first message. Name this thread your picky eaters thread and revisit every week for mealtime. Now pair the profile with a focused prompt. For example, use this one exactly. Using the profile above, give 3 weeknight dinner ideas using chicken, pasta, and spinach, but hide the spinach smoothly and include a 1-line serving suggestion to make it fun. You should get back 3 tailored ideas, each with 4 to 6 simple steps. If the AI still suggests something you will reject, correct it immediately. Say, do not suggest tomatoes or chunky sauces. The AI adapts fast when you correct it. Here are a few practical tips. Add multiple profiles if you have different kids or adults at the table. Distinguish them by first name. Update profiles every few weeks as tastes change. Whenever a suggestion is a hit, add that dish to the profile as a positive example. That helps the AI prefer those wins. If something fails, treat it like data. Tell the AI it wasn't a hit, and next time, ask the AI to consider why a suggestion may fail. In your prompt asking for ideas, type, "Why might my kid reject this? Give me some simple tweaks to consider." You will often get a texture swap or a fun rename to increase your chances for success. Now that the AI knows who we are cooking for, next we will use what is actually in your fridge to build dinner instantaneously. Here is the thing everyone actually needs. Turn whatever is in the fridge into dinner tonight. It sounds like magic, but it is mostly logic and a little creativity, and AI makes that creativity instant. Here is the basic trick. Give the AI a short, honest list of what you actually have. No need for perfection. A couple of practical tips. First, ask the AI for variations like bake, stir fry, or one pan so you can pick based on how much time you have. Second, always ask for cooking steps written for beginners. Here's a little hack you will love. If you take a quick photo of your fridge and paste that photo into the chat, say, ignore brand names, just use the main ingredients, and the AI will still give usable recipes. Okay, you can now input those random fridge items into an AI and get a dinner plan. But how do we make it stick? The answer is a simple concept: batch cooking. This is the practical engine that drives your weeknight sanity, and AI builds this all out for you, step by step. Let's look at why this matters. Planning helps you combat food waste. The USDA says 30 to 40% of our food supply is wasted, often because of unused ingredients and last-minute decisions. Our strategy combines basic planning with one powerful batch cook session. This immediately cuts waste, reduces mental load, and still delivers variety and comfort for those picky eaters. It's a win-win all around. Batch cooking is simple. It means preparing a large quantity of 1 or 2 neutral ingredients like plain rice, roasted chicken, or ground turkey, and then using those core items in different ways throughout the week. With your week plan and preference profile set, the next practical step is small nudges. These are tiny changes that make food feel familiar, not foreign, and AI is great at suggesting them. Think texture swaps, playful names, dips, and ways to hide or shift flavors. So picky eaters try one bite. Small wins add up. You can ask the AI, give 5 ways to make carrots crunchy and kid-friendly. Include one dip. A typical AI reply will suggest baking, air fry, quick pan sear, raw thin matchsticks, and carrot fries with a yogurt honey dip. Try one method and see what sticks. The second tactic is presentation and rebranding. Names matter. Call cauliflower snow mash or broccoli mini trees and serve them with a cheese sprinkle. You can literally ask the AI, rename these 5 veggies with playful names, and suggest a brief one-sentence pitch for each. The third tactic is dips and pairings. Kids love to dip, and dips increase acceptance. AI will suggest compatible dips that match flavor profiles kids like. Ask the AI to suggest 4 kid-friendly dips for roasted veggies with 1 low-sugar option. The AI will give simple recipes with 3 to 4 ingredients you can mix in a jar. And the fourth and final tactic, stealth and gradual exposure. This is not about tricking anyone, it is about gentle introduction. Puree a steamed veggie into a cheese sauce, or finely grate carrot into meatballs. Ask your AI, give 3 ways to add pureed spinach into a pasta sauce without lumps and with a recipe under 10 minutes. It will give steps like blending with a little cream, straining for smoothness, and adding cheddar to mask bitterness. Here is a practical experiment plan. Try 1 new nudge each week. Keep portions tiny. Pair the new thing with a favorite and use neutral praise like, I like how you tried that. We aren't giving rewards for eating, just positive framing. Add these nudges into your AI prompt when generating your 1-week or multi-week plan. The feature I have been taking advantage of lately is the voice feature in my AI app. This allows me to multitask by researching and organizing on the fly. Your AI tool will literally become your real-time meal planning assistant, from a conversation to set up your picky eater profiles to walking you through the recipe step by step as you are sautéing in your kitchen. Try it tonight and you will wonder where this has been your whole life. Trust me, small steps, big stress savings. Now that you know how to build a preference profile, turn fridge scraps into meals, plan a simple week, and use texture and presentation nudges, let us close with one easy habit you can start tonight. Tonight could be the night you paste your preference profile into ChatGPT and ask for one dinner idea using what is already in your fridge, or ask for 4 kid-friendly dipping sauces as a presentation nudge and try one. Then it becomes small experiments and iteration. Track your outcomes with a tiny note back to the AI, so that data can be used to tweak the next try. Over time, those small, repeatable experiments become lasting mealtime wins and a lot less stress. If this helped you make sense of where AI is actually going, do two things. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, and drop your questions in the comments. We'll see you next time.